Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to another exciting English lesson on our journey to improving your English skills. I am Carlo, a tutor from telclass.com, and today we're driving into the fascinating world of prepositions of time, in, on, and at. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Picture this. You're trying to describe when something happened, but you're not sure which preposition to use. Well, worry no more. I'm here to guide you through the simple and effective usage of these prepositions. First up, we have in. We use in for longer periods of time like months, years, or seasons. It's your go-to preposition for talking about the future too. So when you want to talk about a specific month or a decade, just add in before it. For example, in August or in the 1990s. Next, we have on. Imagine you want to talk about specific days or dates. Well, that's when on comes to the rescue. Use on before the day or date you want to mention. For example, on Monday or on the 4th of July. And last but not least, we have at. At is the preposition you need when you want to be precise about a particular time, whether it's at 2 o'clock p.m. or another time like at night. Remember, in is for longer periods, on is for days and dates, and at is for precise times. So the next time you're telling a story or making plans, you'll know exactly which preposition to use. Do you want to improve your English? Try a 10-minute free English lesson on telclass.com. It's easy and fun. Improve your English skills with one-on-one private lessons with friendly qualified foreign English tutors. See the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this English lesson, please give this video a like. See you next time. Bye!